Hello guys. Okay, I come outside every day. I know you hear those planes. As soon as I start recording, then a plane flies over my house. But I come out every day to check on my garden, my vegetables, so I can keep an eye on the bugs. I'm waiting on some see how they're eating? I've got an infestation of Japanese beetles. They are eating my leaves on, right, there they are right there. See? Lovebirds. But they eat the leaves and they're not messing with the fruit, but still. And look at that ladybug. So I'm waiting on some treatment to come in the mail, because my strawberry leaves look horrible. But I've got to get rid of these Japanese beetles, especially before I go pick up my my bees, because I don't want them attacking my beehives. My blackberries are doing okay. Apparently they don't like the blackberries, so they're not messing with the blackberries. The blackberries are doing just fine. That's so sweet. That is good. This blackberry tree bush is doing good, but they're not ripening. As a matter of fact, this leaf looked like it's dying. Yeah, we need to take that one off. And take this other one off too, right here. And maybe the rest of them will have a chance. I have to get my clippers. Come back and clip those off. I've got to do this watermelon and cantaloupe patch. Okay, my true leaves are coming. See them? True leaves are coming, so now I can come in here and divide some of these up so that we get a bigger variety, a bigger patch. Okay, and I transplanted my tomatoes on Saturday. This one is not liking the transplant much, so I need to come and clip these off and give it some more water. You really should water 3 days in a row, but it's been raining, but it doesn't rain much. It rains just a little bit, just enough to trick you not to water your plants. So I'm gonna get the water hose and water these before the night is over. My peppers are doing pretty good. Yeah, these peppers are doing really good. They're not hot though. They have no heat to them. The eggplants are doing pretty good too. See the eggplants? There's quite a few of them in there. I make a mean eggplant casserole. I think I just broke that branch. Bell peppers are doing pretty good. Okay. And these are the tomato plants. I didn't transplant these, but they're doing pretty good. And I have quite a few cherry tomatoes And these beefsteak tomatoes, this one looks like it's almost ready to pull for me to fry. Fried green tomatoes. I'm trying to wait for it to get a little bit bigger. I don't want it to turn red. And this one as well. Let them get a little bit bigger before I pull them to fry them. Yeah, this tree is doing really well, really good. And these are doing good as well. I transplanted all of these over here. Put all of these in that bed because they were all clunked up in that corner right there. I had all of these tomato plants were all right there in that corner. So I took them out and put them over here and spread them out. And then these were over here as well. So I took these out and put these over here, this squash. And hopefully I'm gonna give it some water because it looked like it's starving. And cut some of those old leaves off of it so that it doesn't have to fight for the energy. And I took my sugar peas and brought them over here. But like I said, everything needs water right now. So let me do that. My carrots are doing okay. And my beets are doing okay. But I'm gonna give it some water. Give them some water. My potatoes are doing good. I got a bag of potatoes up there that looked like, on the deck, that looked like it's ready to be taken up. Sweet potatoes and white potatoes. These look like they may be getting ready to come up as well. My grapes. The bumblebee just left out of here. Grapes are doing good. Oh yeah, we got plenty grapes in there. And the beetles, the Japanese beetles, don't seem to be bothering the grapevine. And that is so strange because it's right across from my strawberries up there that it's just tearing to pieces. So let's see if we can, the corn is doing much better since I started giving it water. It's getting a lot bigger. See, this is good. And it's in a pot, guys. So you can grow. This is the bag of potatoes that I think is almost ready. When they start dying back like that, they're about ready. And these are some more tomatoes. And my wax peas, beans, I keep pulling them. Pretty soon I'll have enough for a meal. I didn't plant nearly enough. So, and this is watermelon. I need to take that down to the watermelon patch. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe right there. I don't see any, but watermelon. Okay, let's see. Oh, my kale is doing great. This kale, I don't know if you saw in the last video, but this kale was doing terrible, and I didn't know what was attacking it, but it's doing so much better now. So much better. Basil's doing good. And my squash here is doing good. My kushal from a pot. Oh, need some water. It's a tomato plant. And look at all of these Japanese beetles. Look at that. They are having a ball. They are having, and they are just, oh, squash is doing okay. I took one off of this one yesterday and had it for dinner. And this is my asparagus. Get these weeds out of here. And my spinach is going to seed because it didn't get any water while I was on vacation. So it's going to seed. I'm just going to let it seed. And my chives are coming back. And my onions, I didn't get a chance to plant them. Some more strawberries, but the beetles getting them, eating them up. Strawberries. They're not eating the strawberries. You're only eating the leaves. Strawberries look pretty good. They're not ready yet. But they look pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna go and get me some cutters and get my water and water those plants down there that need water, because I know it's probably not going to rain tonight, even though they say it is. I can't take a chance at it. So I am going to get my clippers and water the ones that need water. So subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.